The root chakra, also known as Muladhara, is the foundation of your energy system. It is located at the base of your spine and is responsible for your sense of security, stability, and connection to the physical world. When balanced, it provides inner strength, confidence, and the ability to navigate life with trust. This hypnosis will guide you to reconnect with the grounding energy of the earth, restoring harmony to your root chakra. Close your eyes and take a deep, calm breath. Feel the air filling your lungs, expanding your chest. And with each exhale, your body naturally releases tension. With every breath, allow yourself to drift deeper into a state of relaxation. Imagine a gentle warmth spreading through you, as if being cradled by the soft, nurturing embrace of the earth. Picture yourself standing on fertile, rich soil, warm and pulsating with life. At this moment, strong and powerful roots gently begin to grow from the soles of your feet, extending downward into the depths of the earth. With every inhale, you may notice how Mother Earth's energy rises through these roots, flowing upward, nourishing and strengthening you. A cool breeze brushes against your skin, carrying with it a sense of calm and stability. The scent of fresh earth and greenery fills the air, grounding you further into this moment. Each breath is like a wave, drawing in life-giving energy from the depths of the planet and distributing it throughout your entire being. A warm, vibrant red energy begins to flow from your feet, rising gently like a soothing current, enveloping your body with a deep sense of stability and trust. This energy moves upward, filling every cell, every muscle, every fiber of your being. As it flows, you may begin to notice a sense of deep gratitude, a knowing that you are exactly where you are meant to be. With each beat of your heart, you can repeat within your mind, I am safe, surrounded by the support of the universe and Mother Earth. My presence on this earth is valuable, and I welcome its gifts with gratitude. I trust in my journey, knowing I am always guided in the right direction. I am abundant, as my soul is filled with light and love. I radiate joy, and this energy touches those around me. My body and mind are strong, prepared to embrace life's experiences. I have the courage to walk my own path with confidence and clarity. Mother Earth provides me with stability, strength, and resilience. I surrender to the natural flow of life, trusting that all unfolds in perfect harmony. Slowly, your awareness begins to return to the present moment. You start to notice the gentle rhythm of your breath, the subtle sensations in your body. The sounds around you become clearer, anchoring you in the here and now. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the energy you have absorbed continuing to support and empower you. Take a deep, refreshing breath, and as you exhale, know that this newfound balance and grounding energy will remain with you throughout your day. And when you are ready, open your eyes, returning with a sense of strength, peace, and harmony. Throughout your day, you remain grounded and centered. Every step you take is supported by the stability of the earth beneath you. You carry a deep sense of safety and trust within you at all times. Your energy flows freely, creating balance in your body and mind. You welcome abundance, love, and security into your life effortlessly. Your connection to the earth keeps you calm, strong, and resilient. You trust yourself and the journey ahead, knowing you are always guided. Every breath you take reinforces your confidence, stability, and inner peace.